Hello, and welcome to CES 2021. And today, we're going to show you how we're building that future. Let's take a look. Technology that helps you, that works all around you, that doesn't complicate life, but makes it better. Custom fit to your lifestyle. One where you can live better in your own unique way. Samsung made your space more personal with bold design. What you also need is personalized services, ones that respond and adapt to your daily routine. Let's see how SmartThings cooking can make your life in the kitchen even better. AI can also change the way you do everyday chores. To take care of all the little details.
The conference call is scheduled in a few minutes.
Good job. But this is just a glimpse into the future we see. Robotics and AI adapting to you and helping you do things more easily at home and outside of it. We're hard at work to bring you next generation innovation with AI as the core enabler for your better tomorrow.
Redefining sustainability in tech. And as we look ahead, we will continue to put people, society, and the planet at the center of everything we do.